Welcome to day 4. For the last 3 days, you've been working with the structure of your thinking, what you control, how you prepare for the day, how you review it. Today is about what happens during the day itself, and it begins with a question that sounds simple, but that most people have surprisingly little experience with. When you're doing something, are you actually doing it? Marcus Aurelius comes back to this over and over in the Meditations, and his point is practical rather than spiritual. The past is gone, the future hasn't arrived, and the only moment in which you can actually do anything is the one you're in right now. That sounds like a platitude, and it would be if it were just an idea to nod at. But think about how most people actually live their days. They eat breakfast while checking email. They're in a conversation while composing a reply to someone else in their head. They're at dinner with family while mentally still at work. The body is in one place and the mind is in 3 others, and everything gets a fraction of the attention it could have had. What Marcus Aurelius noticed, and what you've probably noticed too, if you've ever had a day where you were truly focused on something, is that the quality of everything you do is directly connected to how much of your attention you actually bring to it. A conversation where you're fully present is a completely different experience from one where you're half there. A piece of work you give your full attention to is not just better, it feels different doing it. There's a satisfaction that comes from doing something wholeheartedly that you simply cannot get from doing 3 things simultaneously at 70%. This isn't a meditation exercise in the modern sense, and it's not about clearing your mind or finding inner peace or any of that. It's a completely practical observation about where your capacity for action actually is, and what happens when you stop scattering it across the past, the future, and the 6 tabs you have open in your mind. Marcus Aurelius ruled an empire. He managed wars, plagues, political conspiracies, and the daily administrative grind of governing millions of people. And he kept writing the same instruction to himself over and over. Confine yourself to the present. If it was possible for him, in the middle of all of that, then it's available to you, too, in the middle of whatever your day looks like. So here's the exercise. Choose one activity today. It can be anything: a conversation, a meal, a walk, a piece of work, and give it your complete attention. All of you. Not most of you while part of you checks the phone. Not your body in the room while your mind is somewhere else. Everything you've got, for however long it lasts. And then notice what happens to the quality of what you do, and how you feel when it's done. Tonight, before you sleep, read this sentence by Marcus Aurelius. Confine yourself to the present. Then do your evening review, and I will see you tomorrow.